Xpat Cribs.
Yeah, we living like cribs. Xpat Cribs. Xpat Cribs. We putting it big. Xpat Cribs. Xpat Cribs. Yeah, that's the gig. Xpat Cribs. Xpat Cribs. Luxury living, you know what it is. Xpat Cribs. Xpat Cribs. Worldwide lifestyle. Yeah, we handling bitch.
Yeah. Welcome to Xpat Cribs. Worldwide living, no stress.
Hey, Jay and Sarah with Xpat Cribs. Come on in. I'm your girl Nicole with the Epic Era, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and mi casa, su casa. So I'm gonna show you all around a little bit. Of course, I have this right here. God is good all the time, so I'm gonna set the tone with that. I chose this place because I super loved it. It's like roomy, it's in the way, but out the way. And I loved all the cool amenities that it had, like in America. So I'm gonna start off right here with my washer and dryer. A lot of the units here did not have the washer and dryer. Like you had to go somewhere else to get the services. I didn't want to do all of that. So washer and dryer here. I'm gonna bring you over to my sink area. So this is the first bathroom. But with this bathroom, the sink is not on the inside. They have it right outside, which is cool. I like the whole vibe of everything. Come on into my bathroom. Of course, it's not like the wet room. Most of the Vietnam properties, they have what's called wet rooms. And that's where the shower and the toilet was all together. I'm from the US, we're not doing any of that. So I love the fact that it had the separate shower. The shower is super roomy. The big shower head, it gave me a little piece of home, even though I'm in Vietnam. So I love that. And then I can't forget, it has the little pocket doors. Don't play with me. We are sliding over here, okay? Slide. Come in here. This is the first bedroom. So my daughter's currently in college and she's visiting me during the summertime. So I wanted to make sure I had 2 bedrooms so she could feel home when she came here to spend the summer. So this is her room. It's all vibed out and ready for her. This apartment came fully furnished. You know, I just put my own personal touches on there. I built restaurants back in the States, so design is very important for me. So I had to put a little razzle dazzle on there. Of course, all of the bedrooms, both of the bedrooms have a balcony. And that's one of the things that I really love because I wanted the floor to ceiling windows and I wanted tons of natural light. Let me see if I can remember how to open this. Okay. So, of course, we have the balcony out here. Super roomy, super light balcony. This balcony kind of wraps around to the other side. I loved when I came here how they had all of these empty patches of land. So I know that it's going to be an area that's going to be growing. I know it's going to be booming soon. So I wanted to take part of that. These views are epic. Of course, this is Nicole with the Epic Era. So I had to have amazing views to match this season in my life. Of course, at nighttime, this is Sun World, so it lights up at night. So I have this beautiful view where I have the mountains, I see a little water, and I have the fantastic views of Vietnam, baby. All right. Come on over. I'm gonna show you our living room area, which is vibes, baby. Super vibes. All right. So here, of course, the table came with this apartment. It was definitely fully furnished. It was just ready and in gear for me to be able to put my touches on there. So, of course, I have this nice little table scape. I love the kitchen area because the refrigerator is not, usually when you're in Vietnam, they give you these baby little mini refrigerators. No, we're not doing any of that. And guess what? I actually have food in here, although I never cook because I grab everything. But of course I have my fruits and my veggies and all of the good things that I need, and it's not in a college size refrigerator. Those college baby refrigerators was not gonna get it for me, okay? Stovetop oven. It does not have the oven, but it does have the little even though I'm not gonna be using it. I don't even know what this is called because I don't cook anything, but it's something that you're supposed to prepare your food with. The backdrop, I loved it because a lot of the apartments that you see in Vietnam, they have like Vietnam culture. It's nothing about it is modernized. I wasn't with any of that. I went through like maybe 20 apartments before I found this one, and it was all because it had the modern touches that I liked. Of course, I have my little rugs now. Now this rug right here, you gotta see it. I'm gonna turn it around. It is my favorite. It is my favorite, and it's perfect for this season in my life. It says, lose your mind, find your soul. A lot of expats go in different countries and different things because they're looking for something, whether it's their soul, whether it's their state of mind, or maybe it's just a new way of life. Either way, I found it here. Over here is my living room area. Oh my goodness, this is like the Bybee of the Bybee. It's like when I come in from being at the beach, from hanging out, I'm able to just woo-sah. Of course, the couch is modernized. You know, I can't have a girly pad without the fluffy fluff. So we got the little decor pillows that I brought in to add. Of course, my fluffy rug. And then the lighting. Like, I want y'all to understand the lighting in this place. The natural lighting just gives me life every single time. Of course, this is kind of one of those balconies. This is one of those balconies to where I can just open up the door and just let the air come in, do my prayers, do my woo-sah in the morning, and it just pulls it all together. Of course, I can step out here, but it's not as big as the balconies are in the bedrooms. So, vibes. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the other side where my bedroom is. But look, this apartment has tons of cabinet space. Cabinet space here. The kitchen has tons of cabinet space. That's over here above the refrigerator, above the stove. And I forgot to mention the sink. Every apartment I went into before this one had this little baby sink. Not that I'm gonna be washing the dishes because I'm not doing any of that. But I just love the fact that the sink is big enough to where if I did want to pretend to wash dishes, it was big enough for me to do so. So come on over here. Of course, we have this door. It locks. I love the big pocket doors because they're on all the bathrooms like this. I'm just playing. Come on in. So this window in my bathroom, I really love that they considered the lighting all over. No matter if it was the bedroom, the living room, the bathroom, cupboard, and of course, no washroom. All of the bathrooms in Vietnam had a washroom. This was the only apartment that I found that had the separate shower, the separate toilet area, plus plenty of countertop space. I love the fact that it has plenty of countertop space. So right here is my favorite. Like, not only do they have like super cabinet space in every room, this little area, and it lights up. I'm able to put my glasses, my jewelry. It's right outside the bathroom, so I can quickly get to everything. And then plus plenty of closet space for my clothes. This is where the magic goes down. I'm not gonna let y'all see this because you may get jealous, but just know it's some hitters in here, okay? Okay, come on in. Of course, I put down the furry rugs because you can't have an epic era pad internationally and you don't have the fluff going on. Tall mirrors, super vibey, and all the rooms it has the tall mirrors, which I love. Come on over here, another furry for the epic era. You know, we gotta keep things super poppin', super posh. And then my bed. Of course, this window is the thing that sold me. I didn't care about anything else, although I really did. But I love the fact that the floor-to-ceiling windows was giving vibes. Do you hear me? Like super vibes. Let's go out here. This porch is amazing. Not only does it wrap around, it's roomy enough. They provide the greenery for me, and then they actually take care of the greenery. Like these are real plants and they take care of them. So the window right here, I'm able to wake up literally in the clouds. Like in the morning time when I wake up, the clouds, the sun is just setting. Like I feel like it's heaven on earth. So it gives me a piece of home even though I'm not at home. It helps me make my home here in Vietnam. So yeah, come over here. And then I also love the fact that we can close this out. If I don't want all of a sudden the sunlight in and the natural light, I'm able to kind of like pull this too. I'm able to do the blackout curtains. This apartment like truly has everything I need. I have my little workspace area, the desk. Of course, this all comes with it. They have everything you need so you can just put your final touches on everything. It's like, what more could you possibly ask for? I'm looking forward to being able to sit out on the porch in the morning time and just give super vibes. Yeah. So come on, we're gonna go over here and then I'm gonna show you all the rest of the amenities of this apartment because it's vibes. So we finally made it to the rooftop. I'm about to show you all the pool. I'm about to show you all the vibes. And come on, let's see. So in this area, I think it's so super cool because if you want to just chill out, a lot of times I have my morning coffee up here. You're still able to have some amazing views. And yeah, it's really, really nice, especially when it's raining. So a lot of times when it's raining and you can't get, and I can't lay out, I'm able to get kind of like this whole vibe. And then I come out here and guess what? It's sun. I love it. I love it. I love it. It reminds me that I'm home and it reminds me that I'm here and it reminds me that I'm free. So come up here, I'm gonna show you all the pool area. It's really nice and quaint. That's the part that I like about it because a lot of the different apartment units here, either the pool was old, the rooftop looked crazy, or the inside of the apartment was not modern. With this, I have all the vibes. So come up here, I'm able to totally lay out up here. And then when you get up here, of course, you're able to see views, and more views. Like I'm able to lay out up here. It's a little cool area right here if you just want to chill out. But yeah, the pool is giving vibes and I love it. Come up here, I'm gonna show you the lounge area. So this is another spot right here. So of course, the higher you get, the better the views are. And yeah, it's just amazing. I'm living my expat dreams for sure. And this is our co-working space. People are working in there right now, so we're not gonna go in, but it's a cool added feature because you don't have to worry about going to a cafe. You can just come downstairs, enjoy the workspace, get creative, and get to work. I'm living the expat dream, and now it's time for y'all to leave the scene. Get out of here.
What's up, fam? It's Jay.
And I'm Sara.
And thank you so much for watching Xpat Cribs. If you want to be featured on Xpat Cribs,
Scan the QR code and fill out the form and we will pull up on you.
Yep, and you heard that. We're living the expat dream.
And now it's time for y'all to leave the scene.
Peace.
See you later. If you want to learn more about who you just watched, make sure you click on this video right here.
For the full interview. Thank you.